Good morning, guys. It's about 8:30 Eastern time, and I am walking out Sunday morning, not to St. Mary's Lake this time. I'm going to the St. Joe River, taking a big step up. I've seen some really good reports lately, lots of steelhead being caught in the past few days, so I'm gonna go test my luck with that. And I also brought along some crankbaits and soft plastics with weights for smallmouth, because there's a pretty good smallmouth population in that river too. I'm gonna try to get into a steelhead, swinging spoons, casting spinners, maybe even on a plug or a crankbait. You never know. They're weird fish sometimes. It's a 1.8 mile walk, so wish my legs luck, but we're equipped. I've got everything in my backpack right here. We should be good to go as long as I actually make it down there. So try to find a spot on the bank and work my way up or down depending on how the water is. Let's get after it. I'm really excited. I don't know if I'm supposed to be over here, but we're gonna check this out because the river's right there. We got trails kind of going that way. Follow this trail down. Hopefully it goes down because it looks like this is maybe a little more manageable. Oh, maybe we got a spot. We definitely might have a spot, guys. No way. Take the stepping stones. Oh yeah, this was designed to go down to the river. Nice. All right, guys. Let's keep going down there. Don't want to say it's our spot because I don't know if it is, but it might be. Oh man. Guys, we even have a bank to work with. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. No way. Guys, we found it. We found our spot. Alright, we're gonna move a little bit up here. Get some swinging that steely. Last resort, baby. Last like 8-10 casts, and then I'll head out. Hope for something. Something to happen. Praying. Another monster out of St. Mary's. See ya. Sorry I didn't get this one on film, guys, but that is my PB out of St. Mary's Lake on the Perch Rapala. Well, guys, it's hard to take video when it's this cold and your hands are freezing and it's raining at the same time. But look at that. I stuck it out. I caught myself a dinky largemouth, classic St. Mary's largie. This is the coldest bass I've ever caught. Pretty little guy though. On the Perch Rapala, of course. Nice little moving bait for him. I was getting ready. I was gonna call one more cast and then just call it a day, but this guy changed my mind. Give him a kiss. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. It was a really good day out on the water. Had a lot of fun going to a new spot, St. Joe's River. I'm catching a coho, the first one I've caught in a few years, and my first Great Lakes system salmonid. Quite a mouthful there. So that was really cool. Hooked up a nice largemouth. Too bad I lost it, but made up for that later in the day, going back to St. Mary's Lake after I took care of some things, and caught 3 more largemouth, a couple little guys, and my PB out of St. Mary's Lake. Pretty good fish, about a pound and a half or so. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Great day. Like I said, great day all around. Stay tuned, because I think Troy's going to go out tomorrow and try to get some Willamette River bass action, and he's probably going to try to go salmon fishing or early winter steelhead fishing sometime soon on any of the coastal rivers close by where he's going to school at in Oregon. So stay tuned for all that. I hope I can get a little bit more filmed for you guys before the snow comes in. It's supposed to snow Saturday. We're starting to get this thing running, and we're excited that you guys are a part of it. So thanks for tuning in again. Love you guys. Fish on. Nothing like having some stocked drawers of clean clothes.